3:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Braidwood, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Joliet, New Lenox, Braidwood, Wilmington, Peotone, Manhattan, Diamond, Elwood, Lakewood Shores, Godley, Wilton Center and Simerton. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 234 and 246. Interstate 57 between mile markers 323 and 329. Interstate 80 near mile marker 137. This includes Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Will County Fairgrounds, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZ.